Hi everyone, my name is Mervyn. I'm an entrepreneur. I've attended the Alaric's course over the last 2 days, and I find that he has given a lot of value to all of us. Today, I learned about the 5 steps on consultation. I think it's very valuable in approaching our clients, especially to achieve good results, to ensure that we can close the sales, which is very important. So I'm very glad that I've signed up for this course because I've learned a lot of strategies on how to set appointment, close sales. So I'm really very thankful to him. Thank you.